Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that 350 cm cube of processing is used to mold a prism, length 25, and we also have the area of the triangle PQR. So if you remember right, the volume of a prism is equals to the cross-sectional area in this case triangle PQR multiplied by the length of the prism, in this case 25. So I have 350. I have the area of the triangle PQR, and I have 25. So from here I can then find my area of my triangle. I just need 350 divided by 25. Very good. And that is indeed equals to, this is indeed equals to 14. And through this set of working, I have successfully shown that the area of triangle PQR is 14 cm square. Now for part B, we are given the length of PR as well. Find the height of the triangle PQR with PR as the base. Okay, so for this particular one, I'm going to just do a sketch. PR is 8, and I'm going to find the height. Height will be this. H, which is 90 degree. So I got the area previously, 14 cm square. So therefore you would be able to get the half times base times height is equals to 14. That's the area of a triangle. So I can find my H easily, isn't it? Yep. It's just 14 divided by 8 divided by half to give me the final answer. .5. Done. Now this whole thing, let's go back to the diagram again, is going to be remolded into form and pyramid, square base, 5 cm, 5 cm. The volume is still the same, 350 cm cube. So that is very important, because then we will be able to get the height of this pyramid easily, because we know the volume is the same. Means that 1/3 base area. What is this base area? Yes, 5 times 5 times the height that we need to find, H, is equals to 350. So I will be able to find my height easily here. Just need to divide by 1/3 and divide by 5 times 5 to give me the final answer as 42. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.